Hi, I'm Scott Abrams. I'm from Eastern North Carolina, Rocky Mount specifically, but show you guys my van. This is a 95 G10, originally 4.3 and white. I found her abandoned on the streets in Wilson, North Carolina. Hadn't been fed. She was very hungry and not very well taken care of. I took her in. We treated her right. The motor had a cracked head in it, and I drove it around, I don't know, but 2 years with it like that. Gas mileage is about the same as it is now. We've got a 383 stroker in it now. Changed it out, went through the process of filing pillars and mounts, and that was quite an ordeal. But we got it done. Stayed with the TBI, no new electronic, all original electronic stuff, so still got the throttle body. It was a plumber's van. Wood shelves in it. They had walked all over the roof, so it was dented in, and I found a donor in a local junkyard, and we scalped it. I got a bunch of videos and pictures of that. It was pretty cool. And took it home, and we replaced the entire roof skin on that. So if you come around back, I'll show you one unique detail about this thing was because we changed that roof, we essentially backdated the roof. We don't have the third tail light. It is a 95, so it had the third tail light.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So a backdated roof, that's unique. Huh. Tail lights we backdated. Took the wood shelves out. We had a window on this side, which they had painted black. When I scalped the donor, we took the side out, and I just welded that all in with it. And so we just made one big job out of it.
Yeah, so you got some backup lights on there.
Backup, that's my reverse lights, yep. Yeah. These guys, when I backdated the lenses, I just don't get the light out of these that I'm comfortable with. And now I can blind everybody and visually let them know I'm moving here. But I can see everything too, yeah. And that helps a bunch. That helps a bunch. All right, so put in new headlights with the LED strobe light in there, and I got some Rock Auto replacement grills that we didn't have any kind of logo on it. The distress call for help during the build of this thing, which no one answered, and it still is kind of being called, no one's answering. Anywho, LED light, add some extra to it, very helpful. We got the nice tall saber tooth grill on there, which is very cool. New windshield, we just got that in, and I just got through painting it. We went through a process. This thing's been down all summer, and I did it myself, my first time ever.
Wow.
Really even handling guns, and learned a whole lot along the way. But it was fun and stressful again. And
I noticed you got some nice wheels on here.
Oh yeah, okay. So we got the Cooper Cobras with their American racing wheels and Uniline or Centerline wheels. I got them back in 2020. I really wasn't going to go that route, but supply issues in 2020, and so I just jumped on what I could grab. It just kind of worked out in the end. They're beautiful with that color, so I really have come to appreciate them now.
You put that step on there?
I put this step rail in there with some riv nuts. So originally this was done with some teat screws, and it was really wobbly, but she's a lot more sturdier now. So not that I use it much anyway.
You got your plug there for your
I got my Sure Power, yep. So I don't know, maybe the plumber or whoever else had it. There was a hole here for some reason with some kind of plastic insert, and rather than patching it, I used it. I got to get power in there anyway. Side pipe, straight pipes with Flowmasters on it, coming off of headers. I don't think they're anything special headers, just generic headers.
Your paint job looks great.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's very pretty.
Nice flake in there.
Yeah, the guy threw it together in the back of the shop, and he had a product he was trying to get rid of, and I had a product I was trying to find. I didn't know I was going to go this color. It just happened.
Wow.
And he gave me a price that was hard to just walk away from, and I don't care what's in the can. At that price, you took it.
There you go.
And she is beautiful, and I can't stop looking back at it.
That's what it's all
Yep.
about. Yeah.
So we need some portholes. Anybody looking to get rid of some, hit me up. Maybe some pinstriping or something just to break the orange up now. But
There you go.
it is certainly, I love it. I love it.
Yeah, let's take a look at the inside.
Yeah, let's take a look. All right, let's take a look inside. We got some quilted vinyl that is we pick up from Amazon.
Nice.
I got my skateboard wheel there for a roller there.
All right, that's a good one.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's a good one.
Yeah. We rolled rhino line with a roller in there, and it's really nice touch. I like that part. It looks good with the aluminum steps. Come out of the junkyard again. This was some finds out of there.
Isn't that amazing what you can find?
Oh my goodness! And
Yeah.
I'm become a bit of a hoarder of this stuff. So yeah, I've got tons of stuff that go with it.
Very nice.
Yep. A guy that does woodwork in the marine industry kind of owed me one, and so he built me that custom drink tray there that you can't find anywhere else.
Yeah. Cool.
Yep. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
All right.
More of the vinyl wrap coming around.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
I love the table idea, but I'm not a fan of drilling in the floor.
Oh, okay.
But so we'll see where that goes. But love the table. An extra cup holder when you're lying in bed is always nice too. Wiring, of course, some exposed stuff we're still working. We just got that vinyl headliner there put in just before the show.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yep. And some friends gave me this stuff here. I thought it was cool. It matched the color of the van. And we've got wire prepared for some power drops here and some nice lights I got up in there.
Nice.
12-inch woofers
Oh, yeah.
down in there. And
Sure that jam's nice.
yes, sir. Very nice. Very nice. Yep.
Sweet. You got your head over there with a kicker.
Yep. So, we'll put some kind of something to hide all of that when we move over there. There are swivel seats, but I've really found it difficult to use them. And the seat belts being attached into the chair and the frame present an issue. So I just don't use them. But it rocks their world too when the kiddos get in there and I launch this bad boy. They're holding on to that chair that's wobbling, so it freaks them out a little bit. It's pretty cool.
You got your bed.
I got my bed. Slept in it last night. Slept pretty good. Temperatures got a little low.
Here at the East Coast of International.
East Coast, ECVN.
Yes,
so we, slept here. Some really cool temps last night. I was not paying attention. I slept with the window down. So
Oh.
yeah, I couldn't generate enough heat in here to kind of beat that, but I still slept well. I mean, it's still good temperatures.
Yeah, no, doors look good. Everything. But
Yep.
just one of the things we want to show people is you don't have to have to come to these things a full.
Oh
thing.
no, this guy really just made this transition this year. Like I said, in a year or so, it was still a plumber's van. And heck, I was doing it on a Tundra, a Toyota truck. Just inviting crowd. I mean, you see, just come and be a part of it, and you'll learn a lot.
We'll have to update
And
the thing.
it'll become part of who you are. Let's take a look at the back.
Yeah.
Not much there in decoration, but it's still worthy of taking a look.
That's in pretty good shape for being a plumber's van.
Yeah, they really,
it's not
I've
bad.
done a lot of work to it too. I've done a lot of
You
work.
said for the roof, you said you had to.
Oh yeah, that's a new roof.
Yeah.
Yep. So some of these were bent down, and we had to use some spray foam in those areas to bridge that gap. That's where a lot of the damage was. But it's a little soft material there that kind of cushions that rattle.
Oh, you got her straightened out good.
Yes,
That's
sir.
for sure.
Put a lot of work. ABS all the way. I just had some extra sheets lying around, and it works well with the black. But I think it's a good painting surface, so maybe we're going to do some artwork inside, and that'll be different as well.
Yeah, right.
And some, I don't know, black lights. We'll see where that goes.
Cool.
Yep.
That's good, man.
Yep. So it's been a journey.
Yeah.
It has been a journey. And as the sign says, you don't build the van builds you. And it's fact. I never welded, body work, painted. I've never done any of that stuff until now. So it made me into these things.
That's right.
Yep, pretty cool.
Yeah. Find out what you can do.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well,
Get
thanks
you
for showing
one.
it
Yep.
to us. Yeah,
You got it.
Beautiful.
Yep. Thank you.
Really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Her name is Teacher's Pet. My wife's a school teacher, and it's just a little bit of a nod to her for allowing me to get crazy with it.
Nice.
She backed me up and covered the home front while Dad was away. This was quite a task. So, and it still is, but she's a champ, awesome wife, and I'd love to be her teacher's pet. So, awesome.
All right. Thanks again.
Yeah,
for
you
showing
got
to
it.
us.
You got it. Thank you. Let me fire it up for you.